You've done the research. You've created 30 human-sounding posts. Now you need graphics. Most people hit a wall here. They open Canva, stare at blank templates, and spend 3 hours designing one post before giving up. Today, I'm showing you two paths: the DIY bulk creation method that takes 90 minutes, or the done-for-you option that takes 5 minutes and looks more professional. By the end of this video, you'll have 30 branded graphics ready to post. Let's build DIY bulk creation in Canva. If you want to do this yourself and you have a solid brand template, here's the fastest way. Step 1. Prep your data. You should have a CSV file from video 2 with 4 columns: hook, body, CTA, platform. Open that CSV in Google Sheets or Excel. Make sure each row is one post. Text is clean, no weird line breaks. Columns are clearly labeled. Save it as content-vault.csv. Step 2. Set up Canva Bulk Create. Open Canva. Search for your platform format: Instagram post, LinkedIn post, whatever you use most. Pick a template with clear text placeholders. Here's what matters: big bold headline area for your hook, body text area for your main content, small CTA area at the bottom, your brand colors and logo already in the template. Click on the template. In the top right, click the 3 dots menu. Select Bulk Create. Step 3. Upload and map. Canva will ask you to upload data. Click Upload CSV and select your content-vault.csv file. Now map your columns: hook to headline text box, body to main text box, CTA to bottom text box. Preview 1 to make sure it looks good. If text is overflowing, you'll need to either shorten your post slightly, adjust the text box size in your template, choose a template with more space. Once it looks clean, click Generate All. Canva creates 30 graphics in about 60 seconds. Step 4. Quality check and download. Scroll through the batch. Check for text that's too long and getting cut off, awkward line breaks, colors that clash. Any posts that need manual tweaking, fix the 3 to 5 that look off. Leave the rest. Click Download All and save as PNGs to a folder titled Content Vault Month. Total time, 90 minutes, including setup and quality checks. When this works, you have design skills. You have a solid brand template already. You enjoy the creative control. You're on a tight budget. When this doesn't work, your template looks generic. You're not a designer. You want professional-grade graphics without the learning curve. Your time is worth more than the cost of outsourcing. Done for you with Graphic Launcher. Here's the reality. Most people don't want to become graphic designers. They want professional-looking content without the 90-minute Canva session. At AI Launch Lab, we send all our bulk graphics work to graphiclauncher.net. How it works: you upload your CSV file with your 30 posts. Their team designs 30 custom-branded graphics and delivers them in 24 to 48 hours. What makes it different from Canva templates? 1. Custom brand analysis. Instead of picking a template, their designers analyze your existing content, website, and brand guidelines. They create graphics that actually match your aesthetic, not a generic Canva template that 10,000 other people are using. 2. Professional design principles. Their team knows hierarchy, spacing, typography, color theory. Your graphics won't just look fine, they'll look like you hired a designer because you did. 3. Platform optimization. They don't just resize one design for every platform. They optimize. LinkedIn graphics for professional feeds, Instagram graphics for visual-first audiences, email header graphics for inbox appeal. Each platform gets its own design approach. 4. Revision rounds included. Don't like something? You get 1 revision round included. Adjust colors, fonts, layouts, whatever you need. The process: go to graphiclauncher.net, upload your CSV file, the one from video 2, fill out a 5-minute brand questionnaire, colors, fonts, vibe, examples you like. Their team designs your 30 graphics. You get a preview link in 24 to 48 hours. Request revisions if needed. Download finals and you're done. Total time investment: 5 minutes of work, 48 hours of waiting. Pricing, it's $297 for 30 custom graphics. That's less than $10 per graphic from a professional designer. Compare that to hiring a freelance designer. $50 to $100 per graphic equals $1,500 to $3,000. Your time in Canva, 90 minutes at your hourly rate. Using generic templates, free but looks like everyone else. When to use Graphic Launcher? You value your time more than $297. You want professional-grade visuals. You're not a designer and don't want to be. You want your content to stand out, not blend in. When to DIY in Canva? Your early stage in bootstrapping. You have design skills. You already have a killer template. You enjoy the creative process. Whether you go DIY or done for you, here's a power move for your top 5 to 10 posts. Use AI image generation for truly custom visuals. Go to Gemini, Midjourney, or DALL-E and create unique illustrations that don't exist in stock libraries. Prompt formula. Create a style, minimalist, bold, professional, graphic representing your hook concept, your brand colors, mood, no text on the image. Example, create a minimalist graphic representing the concept of breaking free from hustle culture. Use navy blue and gold, calm, liberating mood, no text. Use these for posts you're going to promote or boost hero content pieces. Visual metaphors that stock photos can't capture. This works great as an accent to your main batch, not a replacement for the full 30.